Chinese inventions, the compass, by Francisco Serra, Kiko Ohara, and Ye Jin Han. First, what is a compass? A compass is a magnetic device that will always point north, no matter its geographic location on the Earth. To look at an example, see the needle on this map. It will always point north, no matter where it is placed. How does the compass work exactly? Firstly, you gotta understand that the geographic north is equal to magnetic south. And then you gotta understand that the compass is nothing but a magnetized needle that will always point magnetic south, read geographic north. Meaning that no matter its geographic location on the Earth is, it will always point to one fixed point. Meaning that it could be easily used navigation. Well, how was the compass invented and why? Originally, the compass was a fortune-telling device invented in ancient China. And this fortune-telling device would be made out of lodestone, which is a naturally magnetized material, and would always point north. It would usually tell the location of the look of a building, of a person, or of any other being or thing. But however, it didn't take long for Chinese men to figure out that it could be used for navigation, as I will state following longer in the video. What is the historical importance of the compass? The compass is important because before it, sailors had ways to navigate, but it was still hard. For instance, the stars. As soon as you have a cloudy night, it would be very hard to figure out in which direction you were going, and it took a lot longer for voyages. And also, after the compass, they could travel in a straight line, rather than going close to the shore. Well, why is this important? There are some facts you might not know. As I said earlier in the video, it didn't take long for Chinese men to figure out that it could be used as a location device. And then as this went spread out of China and into the Mediterranean, around the 1200s. Well, you probably don't notice anything special about the 1200s. You probably do know that in the 1300s, something very important started. It was called the Great Navigations. And between other things, the sailor discovered the Americas. So basically, this doesn't necessarily mean that if it wasn't for the compass, the Americas wouldn't have been discovered. But it does mean that it would have taken long and it would have been a much more dangerous voyage. Seeing that it was already very dangerous, you can see that it would have been very complicated. So what is the historical background behind the compass? As I've said in this video, it was originally simply a religious device. But it didn't take long for Chinese men to figure out that it could be used as a location device. But originally, it was considered black magic. And not a lot of people did it, because there was high discrimination. And anybody found using it would be put to death. This is the story of how Chinese invention changed the earth in so many ways. I hope you people enjoyed.